Guys, do you know how to get the people whenever you come across someone? Or do you get confused what to say or not? Through this video, I'm gonna reveal the secret of greetings, which is really an informative theme for everyone. Guys, I think this topic should be discussed extensively. Through this topic, you can build a very great impression on others. My lovely friends, you won't believe that whenever I go for morning walk to have some sound exercise, I find many acquaintances who are going for a morning walk or coming back from the morning walk. I find there is one lacking point in them which I literally don't like it, that is greeting. Guys, this topic is really pretty good and one of my favorite because most of the conversation strikes up from greeting. I have seen many a times when two ordinary people come across, they hardly greet to each other because they are not in the habit of sometimes not to speak greeting, even they do not say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That is really so bad. On the other hand, if I talk about those who are highly educated person, businessmen, big personalities, or sales and marketing person, whenever they come across, they often greet because they know the value of greeting. So guys, make it a point whenever you come across, not forget to greet the people.